Exposing Google's Pixel 3 scam is why we're here today.
Google sent me a box of some goodies. And I don't know why. I hadn't really done a video about Pixels before, so it's a little bit strange to get an email from Google saying, hey, you want to be a part of Team Pixel? And I noticed a bunch of my other creative friends got some too. What made it so interesting is that all my creative friends were right around the same subscriber size as me. And typically to get like a flagship phone, at least in the past, you had to have a couple 100,000 subscribers. So the question is, what is Google up to?
So last week, shortly after Google's Pixel 3/Pixel 3 XL announcement, I actually got invited to join Team Pixel, which blew my mind because I never expected anything like this to happen, to get contacted to join Team Pixel. Like, it's an actual thing, Team Pixel. So fast forward to today, not even a week later, they sent me my phone. But I thought it was just gonna be the phone. They actually sent me, I'll show you, just 1 second. This entire box. This thing is huge.
Now, I'm not saying that these YouTubers aren't amazing, that these creators have not earned and do not deserve to have a Pixel sent to them for free. I'm not saying they don't deserve to be part of Team Pixel. I think all of us that love and support Google products should be part of Team Pixel. Instead, Google is creating this little elite squad called Team Pixel, and they're reaching out to people and they're saying, hey, will you take this phone? Will you be part of Team Pixel? And this is after the launch. This is after the fact. This isn't like an MKBHD scenario.
So this isn't a review, this is more like my second impressions with the Pixel 3 XL.
Or a Jonathan Morrison video.
I'm excited. It's hoodie season! And the Pixel 3 is here. And it's not as bad as you think.
These guys are amazing, and they get the phones up front in an agreement through Google that they get them, they don't talk about it, they use it, and then when launch day comes, they get to share it with us. And that is how all these amazing videos come out on launch day. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with my friends receiving Pixels. But what I have a problem with is there are consumers out there that have given Google money, paid Google for a Pixel 3 and a Pixel 3 XL, and they've never even received it. In the meantime, Google, they know what they're doing. They know in order to trigger the algorithm, they need to have people uploading about the Pixel, talking about the Pixel in order to get more Pixel videos suggested and in front of other people. The algorithm's gonna say, hey, there's an influx in Pixel uploads today. Let's go ahead, let's serve these up as recommended videos to people that are on youtube.com. And that's the way the algorithm works. If no one's uploading, no one's watching, no one's talking, no one's caring about the Pixel. And Google, don't forget they own YouTube. They're like, hey, how can we get more exposure to the Pixel? How do we get more uploads? Because people aren't really running out and buying them like crazy like they thought. But the people that did buy them aren't receiving them. What kind of scam is that, Google? You got plenty of devices for the people that actually don't care, didn't ask for, weren't expecting, but the people that paid you money aren't receiving their phones, they're not receiving their devices. Now, I'm sure that the marketing department has a stock that they have to work with, and then the fulfillment department has a stock they have to work with. But come on, if you got customers that paid, that want to use your phone, they gave you money, don't you think you should make an exception and go and get some of those phones and give them to the people? Oh, I don't know, that actually bought them? I went ahead and asked a couple of my friends, Drew over at Talos of Tech and Zach from Zach Talks Tech, and I asked them a couple questions. I wanted to know what they thought about this. Now, don't be fooled. Drew got a phone. Team Pixel reached out to him and said, we want to make you part of the team. And he's not Team Pixel organically. He's the Apple sheep. What's the strategy, Google, by giving a device to the Apple sheep? Now, mind you, I got a little side deal going with Drew, where he's going to use a Pixel for a whole month, and I'm going to buy the Pixel and I'm going to send it to him. But the Pixel I bought him, they haven't shipped to him. And this is my problem. They were able to ship him a free Pixel before they shipped him the Pixel that was bought and paid for. How screwed up is this? I asked him a few questions about what he thought about it, and this is what he said.
So I honestly think that it's a little crazy that when a phone just came out, especially when we got so many leaks for the Pixel 3 of other people using it before it came out, they were leaving it in lift cars and they were leaving it around and people were leaking it. And we even saw people buying Pixel 3s off the black market in different places in China. And yet the people who order the 3XL on launch day literally have to wait over a month for their phone to actually get to them. It seems silly to me. I mean, like, at least Apple can, like, stay true to, like, their delivery dates and say, this is when it's supposed to get here, this is when it'll be available. Like, new iPads came out, and they're gonna be here in 8 days. Like, they can make promises like that. But especially when Google is sending out free phones to YouTubers left and right, even YouTubers who aren't really going to be very nice to their brand, they don't really research who they're sending them to. They'll just send them to anyone for free. Meanwhile, the paying customers aren't getting them. I think that's messed up. I don't agree with that. I wish they could stay more true to their customers and prioritize that, but I feel like Pixel cares more about their image, how the phone looks, and not really how the phone works. And they care more about appealing to YouTubers than they do their own audiences. So I hope Google can learn from this here out for the future, just for the next releases they may do. But yeah, it's ridiculous that we ordered one on launch day, the very first hour the Pixel 3 was available, and then like a week ago, Google emailed me to see if I wanted a free one, and I could get that one in just a week. This is silly. It makes me feel weird, frustrated. It's just, Google, get your act together. Come on.
So what's going on, Google? You can send someone who had I placed the order in his name, but you can't send him that phone, but you can send him one for the marketing. So I'm thinking to myself, what the heck? So then I reached out to Zach from Zach Talks Tech, and I asked him a couple similar questions, a little bit different. And Zach says that he is outraged by this, and this is his experience.
Hey Aaron, Zach here, Zach Talks Tech. So here's my history so far with the Google Pixel 3. On October 9th, I ordered here a Google Pixel 3 in silk white, or the clearly white, with the Google Pixel stand. The stand came for free. And it told me 2 or 3 weeks to be delivered. And I thought, okay, great, no problem. So basically 4 days later, I decided, what the heck, I'm also going to order the Pixel 3 XL. Then on Sunday, October 28th, I received an email from Google saying the estimated delivery date has been changed to November 6th or 7th. I thought, okay, that's a little strange. And again, that was for the Pixel 3. Then on October 29th, I received another email saying the date has changed again, this time to November 1st through 2nd. So it got better. So first they pushed it back, then it got better. Yeah, this has been all sorts of confusing. Oh, and I should also point out, during my frustration, you're probably wondering what happened to the XL. I actually went ahead and I canceled the XL because I'm tired of the crap we're going through here. So yeah, now I've got a parent arrive date of November 1st or 2nd. I suppose if I was a 10,000 plus subscriber YouTuber tech channel, much bigger than what I am right now, I'd probably get a phone, except here I am, a consumer, paying money, and I have to deal with these dates pushing back forward. It's all over the place. It's ridiculous. Giving out phones like crazy, but you can't supply them to the people that are actually paying money for your product. Epic fail, Google.
Horrified is what he said. I, myself, am outraged. I'm thinking to myself, should I just cancel the order for Drew? Because he's already got a free one. but it's the challenge, and I agreed, and I bought it, and it's gonna ship to him. The shipping has been delayed 3 times now. Now, here's the weird part. I placed an order at the exact same time for myself that I placed for him. Actually, the order I placed for him, I placed before I placed my order. And I got mine first. What sense does that make, Google? Why didn't you send him the phone first? Especially since his order was before mine. Google, if you're listening to me, I need you to get it together. This isn't looking good. You're running around giving your flagship device to all these tech YouTubers, and rightfully so. It's part of the game. I want to be there next year. Namaste, listen. But you gotta take care of your customers first. And that's what we're all about here at For the Love of Tech. We like to give back, we like to help, we like to pay it forward, we like to take care of our own. But Google, you're not taking care of your own. This whole experience with the shipping and the delayed and the chat messages back and forth and all the emails and the support and trying to figure out what the heck's going on with this phone, it makes me not want to use the phone I have. It makes me to not even want to do a camera review on a phone that admittedly is probably going to be the best camera on the market by the end of 2018. So I'm wondering, Google, when are you going to step up to the plate and do the right thing and take care of your customers first and stop worrying about yourself and worrying about what other people think and worrying about triggering the algorithm? You want to trigger the algorithm? How about triggering your customers? How about getting phones in the hands of the people that paid for them so they could go around and show them to other people who don't really know or care about it? Because if we're on YouTube looking at tech videos, we already know about the Pixel. But you're not getting it, Google. You're not. This is killing me, guys. It's just killing me. There's nothing else to do here. Thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel as of yet, or if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe right here. Ding! And don't forget to hit that notification bell. As always, For the Love of Tech is doing a giveaway. That's right, you heard me. We are giving away all sorts of cool, fun stuff. If you go to the description below, there is a Gleam link. Go ahead, get entered, have some fun, watch some videos, watch your entries just rise the more you participate in the giveaway. For the Love of Tech, go in your drawers, go under your desk, go in the back seat of your car, go in your trunk, go in your closet, go behind your refrigerator, go in your garage, pull out those old electronics, dust them off, shine them up, give them to someone that doesn't have them, put a smile on someone's face, and for the love of tech, namaste.